Procedure of lawmaking in the British Parliament. The British Parliament follows a structured process to create new laws, known as Acts of Parliament. The process ensures that laws are debated, scrutinised and approved before becoming official. Types of bills. Government bills, introduced by government ministers to implement policy changes. Example, the Human Rights Act 1998 was introduced by the Labour government. Private members' bills, introduced by MPs or lords who are not part of the government. Private bills affect specific organizations or local areas rather than the general public. The journey begins. First 3 readings. First reading. The bill's title and purpose are read out. No debate or vote occurs. This allows MPs and lords to prepare for discussion. Second reading. MPs or lords debate the bill's general principles. A vote is taken. If the majority supports it, the bill moves forward. Example. The NHS Act 1946 was debated heavily before approval. Committee stage. A committee examines the bill line by line. Amendments can be suggested. Government bills go to a public bill committee. Detailed examination, committee stage. During the committee stage, MPs or lords scrutinize every clause of the bill. This is where the real work happens, examining details, proposing amendments, and ensuring the law will work in practice. Example. If a bill concerns policing, MPs may suggest changes to specific clauses about enforcement powers or community oversight. Refinement and final approval report. The bill with amendments is debated again. Further changes can be made. For example, environmental laws may receive stricter pollution controls. Third reading. The final version is debated and voted on. If passed, the bill moves to the other house for review. The House of Lords review Lords' scrutiny. The bill goes through similar stages in the House of Lords. The Lords can suggest amendments, but the Commons has the final say. Example, the Hunting Act 2004 was delayed by the Lords, but the Commons pushed it through using the Parliament Acts. Reconciliation between houses. Commons passes bill. House of Commons approves the legislation. Lords review. House of Lords examines and suggests amendments. Agreement reached. Both houses must agree before the bill can proceed. Consideration of amendments. If Lords make changes, the bill returns to Commons for approval. Example. In 2012, the House of Lords suggested changes to the Welfare Reform Act, which the Commons reviewed before final passage. Royal Assent, becoming law, the final step. The King or Queen formally approves the bill, making it an Act of Parliament. This is a tradition. No monarch has refused royal assent since 1707. Example. The Brexit Withdrawal Agreement Act 2020 became law after receiving royal assent. Once royal assent is granted, the bill officially becomes law and can be enforced throughout the United Kingdom. Special lawmaking situations. The Parliament Acts 1911 and 1949. If the House of Lords rejects a bill, the House of Commons can pass it without their approval after 1 year, limiting the Lords' power. Example, the Hunting Act 2004 was passed despite Lords' objections. Delegated legislation. Parliament gives power to government ministers to make small legal changes without full parliamentary debate. Example, setting the minimum wage or updating regulations. A democratic process. Thorough scrutiny. The lawmaking process ensures thorough debate, scrutiny, and approval at every stage. Commons supremacy. The House of Commons has the final power over most laws, ensuring democratic accountability.
Ceremonial role. The monarch's role is ceremonial. Real power lies with Parliament and elected representatives. This comprehensive process ensures that laws are fair, democratic, and properly examined before being enforced across the United Kingdom.